right, go get in this truck. This is a 3-celly day for sure. No doubt. Hey, there's the old girl. There's Willard. So Whitey, let's go take a ride. Oh, Mr. Jim got it nice and cool for me in here. We have got to go pick up a trench box in kind of a little emergency situation. The boys are out there. They're messing with the airport sewer and they need a trench box. So we are gonna go en route and go down to Fayetteville, pick that up, and get this day. Oh my God, what a day. Oh God, you guys are hung up. How did that even happen? Let's get rid of that right now. Might need that by the end of the day, don't know, but let's get after it, guys. Take us a trip in the old low girl. And by the way, before anybody starts in on me, Mr. Jim was already running this truck this morning. I didn't just hop in it ready to go. Mr. Jim did all the pre-trip on it this morning. He left for the day. Got some wind to deal with today though. Got a new mount coming for you guys, so it stops doing this crap. I'm excited. Doing that at 70 miles an hour just decimates any type of video quality. So we're gonna go grab trenchy box. Jim got the manhole shield and got the 138 moved. Little how-to, don't mind, I got a few things. Truck's pretty clean. This is a 13-speed Eaton Fuller. I'm gonna hit my clutch. I'm gonna watch my tachometer right here. Once she gets to about 20, I'm gonna pull my foot off, and you guys can watch and see how I shift. And I'll show you a couple of things on the ins and outs of, I've got 12 years behind the big rig wheel here, so I'm gonna go into first. And I'm gonna let off my clutch, little accelerator. Go ahead and switch, turn my jakes off. Go into fourth there. Just ever so slightly letting my foot off down there. 13 speed so I can split the top. Ooh, we're stopping pretty quick. I'm good, Bob. How are you? How many loads we get so far today? 15. Yeah.
Well, they're keeping him busy.
Good. Ay, ay, ay.
Pick it up a little bit.
Watch that don't swing and hit you, yeah. Yeah, Nick, swing her this way just a little bit. Get ready, it's coming to you. A little bit more. Yeah, no go. Come up with it. There you go. Yeah, sit her down right there. I like it. Watch your toes. That's okay. That's okay. A little adjustment here or there won't hurt nothing. Pick up just a little bit. That'll work right there. Oh yeah? Yeah, we need to run a strap up and over, and then we'll just strap them other four right through here. I'm gone. Be good. Hit that one, Cole. Okay. Now all them can go. One step ahead of you, Wes. Yeah, you'll be just fine. Y'all ain't got the loader here? Oh, my legs are broke if one of these motherfuckers texting. Plenty. You all right? 3 foot, Dale. You may not have it, but open your bucket.
That'll work, that'll work.
Yeah? There you go. Open your bucket. Yeah. Yeah. Easy. Go ahead. She gonna swing to me, you all right? Walk straight back with her, you good? You can come down if you want. You all right, Bill? You all right? You all right? Just keep her going. You're good, Kay. Money shot, Bill. Perfect. Watch your toes. Yeah. You want to swing it now? Okay. Yep. I'm gonna get here. Thank you, boys. Money shot, dude.